สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today I want to show about exercise for health, releasing stiffness and tightness at your back. And this exercise can help for make more movement more flexible. If someone very stiffness and hard for like standing, sitting, and not happy for your life, that is the worst one too. And this exercise is help the deep muscle near vertebra and lower back at near your posterior of your hip as well. This exercise will help you a lot. And okay, you ready for go to do exercise together now? Start by put the arm on top of the other one. Make sure your body flat on the ground. Point your toe toward your head, chin up toward each other. Breathe in and hold for 10 seconds. Breathing out. You can feel the muscle strengthening at the lower back and stretching at the front at abdominal muscle. And next one, your shoulder and elbow strength, the same alignment. Lift your body up, leg flat on the ground. Breathing in and hold for 10 seconds. You can feel stretching at the abdominal muscle and can feel strengthening at the lower back at your posterior of your hip as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it helped. And if you have another question, put comment below. And please watching another video. And don't forget to subscribe for me. Thank you so much. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ